Hello, today I will give liquid fertilizer to all of my dragon fruit posts. After the video, I will give details for the mixture of my liquid fertilizer that I used on how I made the dragon fruit branches grow huge. As you can see on my back, so most branches are huge. So I will just make the video fast forward until I finish. Wait for the list. After the video, I'll make a list. So this is the mixture of my liquid fertilizer. I, I had placed the dragon fruit flower. There is also a banana body of the banana, and this coconut we call this bula. So we call this, this inside in the coconut. Yeah, that's it. And also there is potash 0060 and 1846 1846 fertilizer. So this is 100 liters. So in 100 liters I put uh, 3 kilos 3 to 4 kilos of 1846 and 0060 and 2 buckets of, this is the construction bucket, 2 buckets of chicken manure inside, and then 50% coconut water and 50% seawater. I believe that's it. So this is the coconut water and this is the seawater. Do not use sea salt because sea salt is very concentrated, so you have to use a seawater. This is coconut water. In my place there's a lot of coconuts, so if you will do your research about coconut water, the coconut water has the nutrients that can make the branches, all branches, not just dragon fruit, it will make the branch grow bigger and larger. Huge branch, huge branches. So that's why. And also make sure that your soil is pH 6, between 6 and 7, soil pH should be between 6 and 7. So it is the reason why my dragon fruit branch is so large. As you can see, this is my palm, and this is the dragon fruit branch. It's very huge, but there are also some branches that are small, but most of its new branches are huge. They are very large. It may not look large in the video. I'll give you an example like this one. This, my palm, huge. Huge. As you can see, I'll give you one that is so huge. This one, and my palm. This is my palm. And this is the dragon fruit branch. As you can see, also in the this one, also this one. This is my palm, and this is the dragon fruit. It's growing huge. So most of the new branch that emerge are huge branches. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, today I had just removed the flower of this dragon fruit. I hope it is pollinated. I hope it was pollinated. So my English is not so good, but still I'm trying to speak English. So this is the new fruit. So, and I had just noticed that every time there's after pollination and the next day the dragon fruit is giving new buds. As you can see, there are new buds. This is after this fruit has been pollinated, like on the next day. It is not fruiting season yet. It is vegetative stage. They are still on vegetative stage. So once all of these branches will go down, just like this one, it means he's ready for fruiting. So this one is ready, almost ready, because the branches are getting heavier and pointing down. But this one is still on vegetative stage. See, the branches are pointing upwards. Oh, there are new buds. I hope it will survive. And also there was, oh, buds, as you can see. And also there was a dragon fruit here. I just recently planted this small branch, but I thought it's a branch, but it's not. This is a flower bud. I hope it will survive. I hope it will survive. So these are new cuttings. Maybe the branch is very old, that's why. What happened here? It's turning red. Oh, it's damaged. Anyways, it's okay. So I think that's it. This dragon fruit is so huge. It's hiding from the crow.